need someone to let me know, is it fall yet? Because, honey, your girl is serving fall today. Tell me I'm not. Tell me I'm not.
Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous beauty. The wig for me. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily. Disastrous. It's disastrous beauty. The wig for me. It's disastrous beauty, baby. It's disastrous beauty. Change up. Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious, idiots, thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, no, not yet, whoa. I'm afraid I'll end up nowhere. They keep saying I'll be fine, but how you know that I'll be there when it feels like I'm lying every time someone asks how it goes, and I save the details that actually mean something. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, no, not yet, whoa. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up.
So the unit I am rocking was sent to me by Junoda. Shout out to you, Junoda, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. So the wig that I am wearing is the Hypnotic Lady recommended Junoda Auburn color body wave lace front wig, red brown medium length hairstyle trends. So this unit is available in a 4x4 and a 13x4. I obviously have the 13x4. They have on here a hypnotic lady special offer of 26 inches. I have this unit in, let me see what length I have it in. Okay, so they sent me this unit in 22 inches. It's obviously a body wave wig. They sent me 150% density, and as I stated, it is a 13x4. If I'm not mistaken, that's pretty much all the details and specs. They do have a lot of pictures that you can look at this unit on different customers. I love that. It says the lace material is transparent color, best Swiss lace. It comes in an average cap size, and this color is Auburn color number 33. So that's pretty much all the details and specs that I see about this unit. Okay, y'all. So everything else about this wig did come pre-tweezed. I did bleach the knots. I was kind of going back and forth because I didn't really feel like they necessarily needed bleaching, but I could still see the knots. But I do feel like you can get away with not bleaching the knots. Now, as far as this hairline, honey, oh girl woke up like this. Okay, she woke up like this. So
I woke up like this. It's flawless.
shout out out to them for this hairline because in my opinion, the hairline is really, really nice. And I love when I don't have the tweezer unit because you know that is not your girl's forte, honey, okay? Tweezing is not my forte, so I love when I don't have to tweeze a unit. As far as shedding and tangling, I didn't notice any straight out of the packaging. I did end up, you know, obviously having to wash the wig and all of those things because I bleached the knots. And I haven't noticed any shedding and no tangling straight out of the packaging. But that's not to say at some point, oh girl won't do any other things. Just to say right now, oh girl is not doing any other things. So yeah, that is pretty much it. Now as far as it being big head friendly, in my opinion, this unit is big head friendly. I did have to adjust the straps. And I am an average cap size. So do with that what you want to do with that. That's purely speculation. When I have to adjust the straps, then I automatically deem a unit to be big head friendly. So yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go. If you're interested in my pros and cons as well as a full 360 and a lint check, then please continue to watch. My cons with this unit is gonna be that it's a 13x4. Like y'all, it's just to me one of those things. I do a curved part, you know, and it makes it a lot more easy to part the unit and wear it like you want to without worrying about your track showing. But it's still just one of those things that's always gonna be my a con for me. It just is. So yeah, that is my con. Now, as far as my pros, honey, do you see this color? Okay, do you see this color? I love me a good Auburn wig, honey, okay? Auburn hair is elite. So I love this color, and I think it's perfect for fall. This is just like one of my favorite colors to wear, like during the fall. It's just something about Auburn hair and fall, like they just go together, okay? They just go together. So I love this color. I love that it came pre-tweezed. I love the texture and how even before I washed the wig, how the waves look, like all of those things. So yes, those are my pros with this wig. Yes, I would definitely recommend this unit. It's like I said, especially this time of year, we are heading into fall. And yeah, I would recommend it purely off that. Like, I also would recommend it because it comes pre-tweezed. It was easy to apply, all those things, and you don't necessarily have to bleach this wig. So yes, I would recommend it. All right, y'all, so let me give you guys this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. This is where it comes to me. And keep in mind, I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. And they said, what length they said the wig was? Am I tripping? They said 22 inches, y'all. Is this giving y'all 22 inches? It seems a little longer to me. Let me know what y'all think down below. But yeah, that is pretty much it. If you are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. Once again, shout out to you, Junoda, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not talking about my red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok from Helton C on Snapchat. And I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.